It's a powerful thing, design. A single idea that can make us smile, transform our world, help us connect. But what use is an idea if it never becomes reality? From the very beginnings of HP large format printing, we've strived to give designers the tools they need to bring their ideas to life. Services and solutions that bridge the gap between the digital and the physical, that bring people closer and allow creativity to flow virtually anywhere and anytime, securely and safely. We give designers the freedom to transform spaces, setting the stage for experiences that transcend boundaries, uniting communities, and bringing new meaning to the most unlikely places. We push beyond the frontiers of what we know to redefine ways of bringing designs to life. And we go the extra mile for this place we call home, and for the people who live there. We make ideas real. We make spaces meaningful. We make sustainability our priority. HP large format printing, transforming our world by design. Join us and let's transform the world together.